Alrighty, so say that you wanted to go through this particular collection here. This is a Squarespace site and capture all of the read more links. So um, this is on multiple pages, so it's going to be a little tricky. We're going to have to actually go through each page, but that's okay. I'll show you how to make the script kind of a bit easier. So I move my face over here. Um, there's a few ways of doing this. I'm going to show you the somewhat manual, but then also kind of really quick way. I know there's uh, like I think less than 100 of these. So I'm gonna take an approach that I can very quickly smash out, rinse and repeat, copy them all, put them somewhere, and be done with it. You definitely could build a lot more automation into this if you want to, but I try not to automate things that are sort of like a one-time thing. There's so much setup and maintenance and everything else. Like you get very distracted in the doing of the automation as opposed to the automating. Okay, cool. So what we know here, we have this read more link. So if we have a look here, we have anchor tag with read more link. Okay, cool. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go document.querySelectorAll and throw that in. And of course, that is a class name. So I'm going to do, actually, it's anchor tag with a class name. So why did that not work? Let's have a look again. Where did I get that wrong? Class name blog-more-link. Let's go back and have a look. Let's see if oh, sorry. You got to do the A in front. There you go. Like that. So we got that now. The thing is, we want to copy all of the URLs. There's ways that we can do this now using some modern JavaScript. So we can actually go array.from. And oh, well, I'll show you why we can't do this. So what we actually want to do is go map, and we want to say like this is a link, and we want to go link.href. Map isn't a function. Yeah, well that's true because this is a node list. So we can go array.from and wrap that whole thing in that. Now we got it. So we basically take the node list, turn it into an array, then we use the array method map to then just call and map out the href. So now we got that. The final piece of the puzzle is to go bam, bam, wrap the whole thing in parentheses and go copy. Copies it to the clipboard. Now I'm just going to open up like a VS Code. So I'm going to throw that over here and I'm going to put that in. So I'm going to rinse and repeat. So I'm going to go scroll down, go order posts, and because we remember the last command, I just do that again. Paste. Scroll down, order posts, come in, paste. So I actually typically use this quite a lot. This kind of like copy array from whatever the query selector is, just because it's kind of it's easy to remember. It's kind of easy to manipulate. And at the end of the day, like you just copying everything out. That's it. I'm done. That's the end. No more. So I've written crawlers and other sorts of scraping things and used ChatGPT and everything else to kind of iterate through pages. There's a lot of tools out there, but you know what? Sometimes it's as easy as that. Difficult if this is not a link. Difficult if this is a like a React application or something where it's an on-click handler and that's changing the state. That's not going to work so well. There's other ways. Sometimes you can get into the state of the application and you can kind of look at it. So that could be possible. But when you just got a regular link, the easiest way is to do that. I also could have used the link for the image as well, just so you know that. So if I did, you can see that the image wrapper has a link around it. So if I actually did, well, I'll show you that. So if I do that, that's the array of links. And then if I do, I think it was, yeah, it was an A, it was image wrapper. Nope, image, let's see if I remember. Yeah, exactly. So these two are the same link because they use it there. But anyway, just a quick little tip. Hopefully that's useful. Hopefully you can go through and play with that. Easiest way to grab links off a page in bulk. If you really want to script it out, you could probably do the pagination as well. So yeah.